Hello everybody. So this is for adding and subtracting binomials. All right. So first off, the idea of a like term. So 2 and 7 are like terms, and I'll explain that more in a second. 3x and 5x are like terms. 3x and 11x squared are not like terms. Or, to throw a monkey in the wrench, if we add this back to this one here, how about 3x and 5y? Those are not like terms. Like terms have the same variable with the same exponent. These are the same variables with the same exponent. These are not the same variable, but they do have the same exponent. But these are not like terms. They have to have both. Same variable, same exponent. These are the same variable, but they do not have the same exponent. These both don't have a variable, so they are like terms. Okay? All right, here goes. You're going to be adding here. When you're adding, none of these parentheses matter. Negative 10x squared is being added to negative 8x squared. They are like terms, same variable, same exponent. So you just add the coefficients. So that'd be negative 18x squared. Okay? These are taken care of. I'm going to cross them out. There are no other x to the first. There aren't any others. So that just goes along for the ride. Now I have a minus 1 plus a minus 8, so that's a minus 9. There's your answer. Okay, you got to be careful when you're subtracting. This first parenthesis does not matter. Now this negative is going to distribute through. You need to rewrite it before you bring it together. Plus 2x. Subtracting a negative is adding. Minus a minus 2x. Two negatives in a row means plus. This was a positive 1, so now it's a minus 1. Okay? Like terms. X squared minus x squared. Gone. Minus 8x plus 2x is minus 6x. These are taken care of. Now there's nothing else to add to the minus 6. So there it is. Okay? Subtracting all of this. So this first parenthesis can just go away. But this negative has to distribute through. So everything that's in there. So that becomes plus 4x squared minus 10x. It was plus, now it's minus, because you're subtracting it. And that's a minus 1, but you're subtracting a minus 1, so it becomes plus 1. Now add like terms. Oops, I forgot the square on that one, I'm sorry. Minus 4, or plus 4x squared. So minus 6x squared plus 4x squared is minus 2x squared. Notice you just are changing the coefficients. You're not changing the variable or the exponent. So these are taken care of. Minus x minus 1x, if that helps, minus 10x is minus 11x. So these are taken care of. And then you just have this plus 1 that's there. Okay? Looks like you got one more screen. Okay, now you got to be careful. When they say it like this, you have to switch the order. This is subtracted from that. So the 8x minus 10 comes first, minus this thing. This is being subtracted from that. So this, even though it's written first, comes second. So they're trying to trick you here. Minus 9x squared minus 7x plus 2. Because that subtraction has to distribute to all three things. There's no other x squareds, so that's taken care of. 8x minus 7x is plus 1x. These are taken care of. Minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8. Done. Okay? This thing is being subtracted from that thing. So this one comes first. Minus, with a parenthesis, this piece. 10x squared minus 10x plus 2. This subtraction has to distribute through. So the front one just sits there, goes along for the ride. minus 10x squared, squared, plus 10x, minus a minus 10x is plus 10x, minus 2. There you go. Minus 8x squared minus 10x is minus 18x squared. These are taken care of. 7x plus 10x is 17x. Taken care of. Minus 2x minus 2 is minus 9. These are taken care of. There's your answer. Okay, I believe that's the last screen. Alrighty, thank you guys for your time. Have yourself a great one.